Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission kalapanlong ka Jinghikai ba Kyrpang ban pen bhasho Halor ka Jingri Ngap. Habakran ka ni kasingi Dr. A. Lily Director NCL. Ulang ba dan Ngap kiba nakajuk ka jaka ni kiba day nakajuk ka than ban pen sisha ba kaday ka Ngap ka ba biang ka ba penmi haman la ka por jong usnem ni ka ba penmi man la ka snem. Ula ban rap ru da ka ba ong ba connector ka ba jupet bnia habaya day ba kanir Parki ju ai ke jing tep ke batik na, badwan pensisha ya ke jing long jong ka ngam, ke baki pen mi, laga de ke babiang ne ke bambiang. Ban pen song thok shu iki nong wani shimenta, pa commission kala penong ru iki technical session, badwan ya tai sani bha halor ke ne ke benta.
There is always going to be variability. No one honey sample from the same bee, from the same region, from the same farm, but produced at different times of the year or produced on different years will be identical. They will never be identical. There is going to be a variability. And therefore the statistical analysis of the NMR data is as crucial as producing the data. And I think what the NCL group has managed to do, and you will see it in the presentation, is to put all of these together. What is the right way to prepare the correct sample for doing an NMR, how do you analyze the NMR spectra, and how do you do the statistical analysis of the NMR spectra, and what does it all mean? What do you define as a pure honey sample is an absolute crucial question to ask, and it's a non-trivial question to ask. And I'll come to that a little later towards the end. So this is something that we have done. We are very grateful to KVIC to have sponsored a small pilot project where we managed to do this, and I think we now have a lot of expertise in actually doing the NMR samples. What can we do forwards from here? I think there is a large number of things that can be done. If India really wants to develop a national database for honey sample, and Shri Kumar also talked about it, if you want to really export good quality honey, we should know what is that honey containing, right? So one is the sugar profiling that comes from the NMR spectrum. It will tell you what types of sugar, how much is the composition, is there an adulterant that is added to it, how much is added, what it might be. So that is one part of it. The other is the metabolites, right? So NMR by itself can also determine some amount of metabolites. However, there could be some metabolites which are below the detection limit of the NMR.
And as a country, if we are to progress, it's important that we tap into these huge resources that we have, because all of you, all these institutions are publicly funded. It is the people that have funded all the research work that has been done. And the people deserve that these findings come back to them. And government is the instrument that has to take this to the people. So that is where, if you permit me, sir, Arjun, I think that probably we should add as an additional mandate of the Commission to act as a bridge between scientific community and government, scientific community and the farmers, to bring the benefits of technology to our farmers now. We have, as Dr. Lily pointed out, we already have the technology. It's only that we need to translate it. And I would like to point out that I am in total agreement with Dr. Lily. We need to demystify NMR. A lot of things, a lot of initiatives are not taken up simply because people did not understand what it was all about.